Welcome to Alone Together Baking, where we bake together alone. I'm Sky, and these amazing orchids were grown by my husband. Today, we're going to do an easy crust quiche, and brunch is my favorite meal of the day. Quiche is a great way to use whatever ingredients you happen to have in your refrigerator. So let's get to this. We have 1 cup panko, 4 eggs, 1 1/3 cups whole milk, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, basil, salt, pepper, and garlic to taste, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 2 cups cheese. I'm also using sausage, red and orange bell peppers, and spinach for the filling. You can use any veggie, herb, or meat that you have on hand. The best ingredients are the ones you already have. I've already greased the pan, pour the panko into the bottom, and this is going to be your instant crust. I'm going to cook the onions in the olive oil for about 5 minutes. Then add the garlic, sausage, bell peppers, and spinach based on the time it takes to cook. We want the veggies tender and most of the liquid cooked out. Once you finish cooking the filling ingredients, set it aside to cool. Then beat together the eggs and the milk. Layer filling in cheese, saving some cheese for the top. Add the egg mixture and then top with the remaining cheese. I'll be back after I bake for 60 minutes at 350 degrees. Look at that quiche. Mouth-watering. I am so hungry, but we have to let this sit at least 10 minutes before cutting it. Well, it was a treat baking with you today. If you'd like to see a written recipe, go to alonetogetherbaking.com. I'm Sky, and let's bake together again soon.